Hi my darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having the most fabulous day today. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you my very first ever bag purchase of 2018, and I've already revealed this bag to my Snapchat fam and on Instagram. So hi, my name's Kim. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to link all my social medias down below. You can check that out. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to unbox the bag, reveal it to you, and then I'm going to talk about the specs of the bag, the reason behind purchasing it, the price I paid, and you know, all the little juicy little details. So before I get into this video, you guys know the drill. I'm going to share with you what's on my lips, the bag that I used yesterday, and the outfit that I'm wearing today is a really cute little Zimmermann place suit. It's 100% silk and it's got this really nice romantic sort of vibe to it. I really love the color and I love the little print. It's got like ruched sleeves, it's got a little belt there, and then it's got like cute little shorties. I love to dress up a bit more girly, a bit more feminine when I do like Chanel unboxings because it's just really special, and this bag is really special to me. The earrings that I'm wearing today is my very first ever Chanel earrings, and this one Aline got for me for my birthday. Pearl detailing. Pearls are just really feminine and it's really Chanel, and I love that. I've always wanted my very first ever pearl Chanel earrings, and they're the small size and it's really cute. What's on my lips is I'm wearing this really cute little Korean brand. It's called Mura, the Hydra Shine lipstick, and it's in the color Pink Veil PK02. It's like a really, I know I mangulate it, but it's this really cute little hot pink color. It just comes in this pretty little compact. It's like it's quite girly and I love it. It's just got a silver compact. It's like a jewel and it's really gorgeous. And I love it. It's a really nice pop of pink, and every time I wear this color I just feel like I look younger. It looks really fresh and it just goes with this outfit really well. The bag that I used yesterday, and I've been loving this bag, and I sort of am kicking myself I didn't get this bag sooner. The bag that I used yesterday is my I should say Chanel Speedy, my Louis Vuitton Speedy in the size 30 Damier Ebene, and I got this little charm here. It's really cute. It just adds that little sort of girly touch to it. I use a lot of hand creams and I don't have to worry about babying the handles or rain, so it's an all-weather bag. I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside my bag. A lot of stuff in there, and I use a bag organizer in my bag in red as well. It just keeps everything organized and it's really fun and cute to use. I did have this bag in Monogram years ago, and I was just never into Damier Ebene, but now I've got a Damier Ebene bag. I love it. The gold hardware, the red interior, it's just so classic and really classy. It just goes with everything from casual like khaki shirt, white t-shirt underneath, black ripped jeans. I love it. It's so pretty. Also, the blush that I've been using, why not just add this in there? I've been loving these little Too Faced blushes. I got this in a Christmas gift set. It's like a mauvey pinky sort of blush. I know, I've been digging into this. It's a bit gross at the moment, but it's just a really pretty color and it just looks really girly. It's like little girl's toy makeup and I love that. It's just really pretty and it's highly pigmented. It blends so smoothly. So anyway, let's get straight into the bag. This is a reveal video. This bag that I purchased was pre-loved, and this bag only came with the authenticity card. So it did not come with a box, dust bag or a receipt, but I already had a spare box and a dust bag at home. I thought for this video I just dress it up a bit and formally introduce this bag to my YouTube family. So I'm just going to stop talking. Got a really nice big gorgeous ribbon. I just love the Chanel packaging. It's just so classic, black and white. Then I got this magnetic box, and then I've got the tissue paper. Oh, I'm so excited. This dust bag I got separately. I'll just move this out of the way. I'm so excited to share with you my very first ever bag for 2018. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, she's just so gorgeous. Oh, so stunning. I just can't believe it. So this is my, oh my gosh. Okay, so introducing to you, okay, cut that out again. Chanel medium large classic flap with black lambskin and gold hardware. My very first ever YouTube video was of a Chanel classic flap, black caviar, gold hardware, medium large flap that I purchased at the Rue Cambon store in Paris. So I purchased that one in the boutique itself. Even though I had the bag for 2 years and I only used it twice, it always was sitting on my shelf in its dust bag. Just I felt like the hardware on that was wearing so quickly just for 2 uses. So what I noticed was there was indentation and scratches on the turn lock and also on the rings here where the moves up and down. it was wearing so quickly. I only used it twice and I just left it there. I'm like, oh, I'm not really impressed with the quality. And that one I purchased direct from the boutique, brand spanking new. So I sold that bag 2 months ago and I thought to myself, if I ever purchase a medium large flap ever again, it was on my wish list, I would purchase the exact same combo but in lambskin. And why in lambskin? I purchased a Chanel rectangular mini in lambskin just to get a taste in and see how durable it was. That bag was just really gorgeous and such a joy to use, and I really enjoyed the luxuriousness and the feel of lambskin, which swayed me to sell my medium large Caviar classic flap and think of purchasing another medium large classic flap but in lambskin this time. And I said to myself, if I ever come across one pre-loved in excellent condition, I'll purchase it. Otherwise, the next time I'm in Paris, I'll go to the mothership store and purchase it brand new, because you know it would be special if it came from the mothership store with white packaging, you know, 31 Rue Cambon. I saw that bag and then I came across this one and I just immediately fell in love with it, and my heart was beating on my chest, and I just thought, oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. How can anyone sell this bag? And I just snapped it up. I purchased this one off a chick called Jenny. Hi darling. She purchased this one off Marketplace. What is Marketplace? Marketplace is on Facebook. It's just like for locals or anyone within your country selling stuff. So if you search up Chanel items will pop up within your state. You can search up in other states as well. I think she had this for about 2 months and then she sold it on to me. So she only used this once. This bag is a 10 series bag. This was made around 2005, 2006. So it is an 11-year-old bag. The quality back then is insane. The lambskin is really tight and really firm. The corners like perfect condition. There was no scuffing on it whatsoever. This bag is gilded in 22 karat yellow gold. It's got the hallmark stamping. The gold hardware in this is absolutely perfect. There is no scuffing, there's no scratches. I cannot see anything on it. The rings on this bag are absolutely perfect. There's no rubbing, there's no tarnishing, there's no scuffing, there's no nothing. The chain is like really gorgeous and sparkly. The quilts on it is really puffy, and especially on the back there, it is just so puffy still. I cannot believe it. There's barely any marks on the base of the bag, and I love this bag because around 6 series and above you're going to get 24 karat yellow gold, so it's going to look a bit more vintage. It will be much more yellow than this one. I love this one because it is more modern. When I purchased this bag, it had so many scuffs. There is hardly anything on there besides where the indentation of the EP zipper lies here and here. I was able to bag spa this bag myself and get all the superficial scratches out, and it looks brand spanking new. Like no one can tell that it's an 11-year-old bag. It's over a decade old, guys. So if you guys are planning on getting something lambskin, try and find one from 10 to 12 series if you can, because that is when I feel like the craftsmanship and the quality is absolutely at its best. You'll find the quilts are so much more puffier. Chanel classic flaps until about 6 series, they made the Flox snap closure button, and then from 6 to 10 series it was a plain snap closure button. Just show you what I mean. There is no stamping or embossing on that snap closure button, so it's plain, and seriously it is so pristine and looks brand spanking new. And then from 10 series onwards they introduced the Chanel Paris snap closure button. So if you guys see a Chanel classic flap from 6 series to 10 series without this snap closure having Chanel Paris on it or Flox on it, doesn't mean that it is non-authentic. It means that Chanel was in the process of Chanel made a few changes along the way. It's got the small love letter little pocket at the back here. It's got the just the secret compartment where you put like hide extra cash and stuff like that. I also cleaned up inside there, and girl, when I cleaned up this bag, my rag was so dirty. It was insane how dirty this bag was. I'll show you the cloth that I cleaned it with and how dirty it was. But on the inside of the bag, it was pristine. There was no markings, no nothing inside. So this bag here has the gorgeous double flap with the burgundy interior. This one says Chanel made in France. It's a made in France bag, which is so special. I just love it when Chanel is made in France, especially like classic flaps. And on the inside, you've got the little compartments here to store cards, and it's got the lipstick holder, and it's got this serial sticker. And also we've got the authenticity card, which shows that it is a 10 series bag, and the serial sticker in here is intact and everything. And then at the front there, it's got the little pocket there which had some marks in there, but I was able to take out all the scratches. On the back you've got the Mona Lisa half moon pocket, and the pocket here seriously is so tight. It's just, this bag has barely been used. I bet you it was just sitting on the shelf on display. Since I've got this bag, I've used this bag 3 times and I love it so much. It goes with everything. So how I can wear this bag is I can double the chain up, or I can wear this on one shoulder. Just show you how I wear this bag. Like that. Just really, really cute. And it's a really nice size. I can double the chain and wear it on my shoulder like that as well. Like that. So that's how it looks on me. I could also wear it crossbody. That's how it would sit on me if I wore it crossbody, which is not bad. I don't mind it that it's a bit shorter, but it's just really adorable. I just love how luxurious the quilts look on this, and it feels so buttery smooth. I'm so lucky to find this bag in this condition, and for the price that I paid for it. I only paid $3,500 for this, which is such a steal. The craftsmanship and the materials that they use are so much better than what they have at the boutiques now. So that's why I sold the one that I purchased in the boutique and bought one pre-loved. And that's the beauty of buying pre-loved, because you don't get the quality. They don't make them like they used to. The ones in the boutiques at the moment, they cost $7,500, and they are not gilded with true gold, like 22 karat yellow gold. They're just gold tone, and with the gold tone it just wears in a scarf so much quicker. I went to Rue Cambon Paris when I was in Europe last, and I didn't feel as though it was as magical as it used to be, because back then Chanel prices in Europe were so much better than the prices in Australia, and the store was packed. It was so busy. But then when I went there again, it wasn't that busy. I believe it is because that they globalized the pricing, so that the pricing all around the world is the same. I did go in and I asked for a few pieces that I was wanting, and they didn't have it, so I didn't purchase anything from the boutique. Instead, I scored my Hermes baby Birkin in Faubourg Saint-Honoré, and yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't buy anything from Chanel, which is quite surprising. There was seriously nothing that I wanted there. My first time there was so magical, and purchasing my very first ever 2 Holy Grail bags at that boutique was just so special enough. But yeah, I later sold the bag. I don't regret it at all. I'm so glad that I was able to get this bag sooner than later. And the condition, I just love it so much. It is so gorgeous. I wish you guys could feel this bag and how puffy and gorgeous it is. It looks pretty much brand new. There is no scuffing or nothing. That's the beauty of finding pre-loved items, whether it be from eBay, from Vestiaire, Depop, Gumtree. You're bound to find something really special. That's why I just love my pre-loved finds, because it's got that extra special something. This is something that you cannot buy in stores. I just love it so much more. I just can't get enough of it, and that's why I wanted to share this with my YouTube family, because this bag means so much to me. I'm in bag heaven right now. I love it so much. So anyway, I'd love to know your thoughts on this bag. I'd also love to know what's on your wish list for 2018. So yeah, that's all for this video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please take care, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now. Ta-da!